Marco Dominic Gonzalez, video 3. It is Atlantis. I don't know what I'm gonna call this now. Law, something. The cloud signs for today. It is July the 16th, 2014, and it is 02:13 p.m. Now I've had a lot of them, and I had so many great cloud signs, but this is something different. So I haven't shared the other because it's like I've already talked about a lot of things, so it's not necessary. What I'm gonna do is, later I'm gonna analyze this. I haven't written in this book in a long time, man. The last time I wrote in this was August the 2nd, 2011. Yeah, this is the first time I just said to myself, I'm gonna kind of draw this for some reason. Normally, I don't. I've been doing a video, and I just felt to put it in this book, so I'm going to. And I did. So this will, this is solid to coincide with what I've written into this book. So again, if I just see something like that, read, understand, this is the future. So what this tells me is, I don't know if you can see, I have a curve there. What my hair happened to do is it curved in like represents a planet or a movement and a bisection. And it disappeared, I don't know, a week ago. And other hairs have been falling within it to create other globes and other, really to indicate to me of the signs on my face. I don't know if you can see this. What is it? It is a curved hair with a bisection. Now that bisection, to myself, I didn't know at first. I didn't know if it was dealing with the Earth or where, and it could mean anything. I realize that now. In certain points, it was dealing with the Earth. Now it's dealing with the star of my left hand. Because what happened this morning is I just thought, it was like a mental thought. I thought of Pegasus because I did some videos on whether, I'm looking at northwest, the longest leg, the foot, meaning the last star, and that kind of thing. And what immediately appeared on my mustache was the long leg and the short leg. Now, this has to be confirmed. This is natural, meaning natural on my face. And it would have to be confirmed within nature or within space-time. Everything has to be confirmed 3 times with me. It's just the way it is. So then I realized when I had the longest leg and the shortest leg, this is the star of my left hand. Again, if you look at the configuration of Pegasus, the longest leg, the last star, is the foot. It's the right hind leg. To the left are 3 stars. That's the star of my left hand. So that is what this configuration this morning was. And what it did is it made this. See that? It made this right here on my face. And these are the hairs that signify Pegasus also on my face. Now what happened when I went outside is immediately the sky was clear, meaning everything in my window is completely blue. There's nothing, no cloud. There's only a cloud in the very far distance starting to rise. Very far. But other than that, if you look around the sky, there's nothing, man. So as I situated myself and I began to set, again, if you watch my videos from the, I guess last week, of this 45-degree angle, when I looked 45-degree angle, all of a sudden there was just one cloud. Now, when I acknowledged the cloud, it turned into a bird. That turned into a 3. Now, this signifies 3 planets to come. But again, there has to be a star, and that has not been given to me. But if 3 planets are moving in an array, and I said this last year, it only makes sense there has to be a star with it, but this has not been confirmed to me, so I can only know 3 planets as confirmed today. And then again, from one planet, a continent will move and come to the earth upon the ocean.